Hello parents, akan ko saksa ya video na. Ya video de kita lagi chapter kuskigen chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables ko. Inas kang class 9 anchang linear equation in one variable ko pore ha tawde linear equations in two variables ko pore skagen. The general form of a linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equals 0 or ax plus by is equal to c. Yan general form linear equation in two variables wa ax plus by is equal to c nimna siya. Temne no a b c yarangara mai khamusona real numbers khamusona a mamun solva equal to 0 jawa b by equal to 0 jawa aro a square plus b square not equal to 0 nimna ino agania. Any pair of values of x and y which satisfy equation 1 is called a solution. Tawde x aro y na j value rangko onaton ye equation 1 ko satisfy ka ukhode maine agana na solution nimna agana. Equation 1 manade ya equation fa ganiya satisfy ni ngwara mai ko satisfy nimna agana na left hand side aro right hand side equal 1 ko satisfy nimna agana left hand side equal to right hand side ungna tangen. Ya x aro y na j value rangko substitute katon ya left hand side equal to right hand side ungna nangen unode agana iko satisfy nimna agana. That means the equation is satisfied. Inigimna tensolo x aro y na j value rangko substitute katon ya equation 1 satisfy nga inode kon maine agana na solution nimna agana. For example, x is equal to 3 and y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x minus 5y equal to 1. Tawde x is equal to 3 or y equal to 1 equal ye equation of substitute katode left hand side equal to right hand side unginga. Ini masa x is equal to 3 y equal to 1 equal solution of this equation nimna gana. Tawde mangkuban kunyang na graph over the linear equation in one variable is a straight line parallel to x-axis or y-axis according as the equation is of the form ay is equal to b or ax is equal to b where a not equal to 0. Tawde linear equation in one variable jekhon anchung class 9 of poraiba ha linear equation in one variable ni graph te phangnan mairakana straight line ogrunga aro ye straight line ara x axis na paung jode y axis na parallel ogrunga. Digimna linear equation in one variable ni general form de ay equal to b paung jode x equal to b ungrunga. Digimna a mamsolba equal to 0 ungjawa. Yan general form of linear equation in one variable ay equal to b paung jode x equal to b. Ino ganiya the graph of a linear equation in two variables is also a straight line. Linear equation in two variables ni graph pa straight line unga. The general form of the pair of linear equations in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Tawde ino general form of linear equations in two variables yarang kon general form of linear equations in two variables nimna gana ino equation ge igni runga phangnan linear equations in two variables ode equation ge igni runga. The general form of linear equations in two variables ko examples nga oden ay ko answer kana nangen a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 aro gesara a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Yano a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 yarangara mai khamuksona real numbers ko muksonga. Digimna a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0 again. Digimna a2 square plus b2 square yaban not equal to 0. For example, example na ha. First give equation ra sub number 1 x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Yano de a1 de 1 ungiya mane no x no coefficient 1 de no b1 de 2 de na c1 de 5 de second give equation de a1 de sorry no de a2 songen second give equation 1 given ya second give equation de a2 de 1 they given b2 de minus 3 they given c2 de 7. So these are the systems of two linear equations in two variables yan linear equation in two variables ni gegini example rang hona ha tawde graph ni gman yang skana tawde linear equation in two variables ini graph te ni gerke ungen aro dingthang dakbo graph pa donga da ino mungsa kosan mesokat khoenga temna ino onsogman equation in equation rangara x minus y equal to minus 4 aro x plus y equal to 10 tadi equation gegini ni graph rang khoino salaha digemna ino straight line khonak nagdam niya ya line gesa aro ya line gesa digemna ya line gegini digi cross khagriknya ya point to digemna ya point kon point of intersection nimna gana mana ya point to ya line gegini digi gronggriknya digemna ya point ni mabarangara coordinates rangara 3 aro 7 x to 3 y de 7 digemna graph ode phangnan ya x axis aro y axis dongrwa digemna ya center tik tak te one phangnan 0 digemna ya point ko u nimna dona ha digemna ya side to de ya x axis ni ya side chibakte jakra chibakte positive numbers ko naknakta manken digemna ya point ni jakasi chibakte negative numbers ko naknakta manken digemna ya point ya jachini kosak chibak ya y axis kini hun yatskabo ya y axis o ya point ni kosak chibakte gamakan positive numbers digemna ya center ni khama chibakte gamakan negative numbers digemna ya yano y apostrophe ni nimna sia khon knakta manken ya y apostrophe ni sia dongba chakde gamakan negative numbers digemna y mamang sia gaba chibakte gamakan positive numbers digemna dore x nimna sia ichakte yarang de gamakan positive numbers digemna no x digemna apostrophe na dunga ichakte gamakan negative numbers digemna no result agania since the two straight lines intersect each other at 3 7 therefore the given system of equations has a unique solution ya gigini straight line rang ya gesa point 3 7 no intersect kainga ini given ya system of equations kora maine agana unique solution mane de ya common point tunga ya line gigini ya point to cross kainga digamna ya point and common point tungya ini given ya common point tungba ya line rang jenin common point tunga ukene maine agana unique solution nimna tore consistent and inconsistent systems of linear equations ko niangna consistent system a system of simultaneous linear equations is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution tore system of simultaneous linear equations ihura mai dakore consistent nimna ganana at least one solution dongna nangen solution gesa dongna nange inas khangba ya gesa graph kon kaha inode ya solution gesa donga x is equal to 3 y equal to 7 solution gesa donga ini men yan dige takaba graph kode maina ganana unique solution nimna gana by at least one solution nimna gana yan takaba kode maina gana consistent nimna gana consistent ya linear equation rang consistent ungna gadade at least one solution dongna gada nangen manade line gegini cross khagrikna nangen uni common point dongna nangen ukusa gana at least one solution nimna indakba linear equation rang khosa consistent nimna gana for example the system of equations 3x minus 2y equal to 4 and 2x plus y equal to 5 is consistent because x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution tawde ye equation ge gini khona ha tebne ye equation rang khora consistent nimna gana maina ye equation rang ni solution ara x is equal to 2 or y equal to 1 ongya to the inconsistent system ni gaman yang skana a system of simultaneous linear equations is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution to the j linear equation rangon solution dongja mane de line ge gini cross khagraga dongja common points dongja ukon maina gana na no solution wa ode linear equation rangara maisana inconsistent tena the dependent system ni gaman yang skana a pair of linear equations which are equivalent has infinitely many distinct common solutions tawde j linear equation rangan equivalent wa nimna gania manere tensolon graph salgen digimna straight line matgno Tawde gigini linear equation rangni straight line an one apsana nungaya. Yunore marakana solution rang common solution rang bang channa ampul gizagaba common solution rang dunga. Ini mensa inu aganya infinitely many distinct common solutions ni aganya. Distinct dingtang solution rang dunga. Waba channa ampul gizagaba solution rang bang ndakaba khode dependent system ni agana. Ndiba solution mungsasan dunga ode ukode consistent ni agana sem. Ndiba inore channa ampul gizagaba mo infinitely channa ampul gizagaba common solution rang dunga ini yakhode dependent system ni agana. Such pair is called a dependent pair of linear equations in two variables. The key point, naha dependent pair of linear equations is always consistent. Tawde dependent pair of linear equations de phangnan mairakana consistent nga. Maini given consistent nimna gana solutions dunga mo. Solutions dungna nga solutions dunga ode ukode consistent nimna agana ya. Ya consistent system ba consistent an dependent system ba ya ba consistent an nga ya. Diba inconsistent system de ya solution dungi jagba. Solution dunguba khode mashibo wode consistent system. Now the graphical representation of system of linear equations into variables ikun yang na tasyo de rokom sa graph ni gimen sa yang ha da de rokom tham graph rang ni gimen yang skagen skang about case 1 intersecting lines ni gimen yang na two lines which represent the system of a pair of linear equations may intersect at a point as shown in the figure. Intersecting lines ngabo de ya line gigini digi intersect ka equation gigini line gigini digi intersect ka digi cross ka girka ikon agana intersecting lines nimna ya intersecting lines ngabade bano akana ya consistent system ngabao ka ya consistent system ode ya ndige line gigini digi intersect ka temne ini de solution ge sarwa ya point kon common point nimna gana line gigini cross ka point tik takon temna case 2 parallel lines. Two lines which represent the system of a pair of linear equations are parallel. That is, they do not intersect at all, as shown in the figure. Parallel lines ngabode equation giginin line rang dige parallel ngska. Kesa gige bon dige cross kagrekja. Ini mensa ya khora maini agana no solution ba inconsistent system nimna ino aganska. Dimna case 3 coincident lines. Two lines which represent the system of a pair of linear equations may overlap each other. That is, one line lies completely on the other as shown in the figure. Tawde coincident lines udah makana equation gini line rangan gisa gipono digi overlap kager kaya ba digi matap kaya mo. Equation gisa gani first ke equation line ba yan unga second ke equation line ba yan unga digi overlap kager kaya don tap kaya. Ndak bosa kana coincident lines. Ino de infinitely many solutions tunga. Yan nakapa graph para paano ga kana dependent system ga ka. Ino de infinitely many solutions tunga. Tadi masih ino kumo intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines yarangko ya mengetam nakapa graph rangko langsung study hanggen. Behavior of lines representing pair of linear equations into variables aro ansung thalbatin yang hugen ya line rangni behavior rangni gaman linear equations into variables ni line rangni behavior rangni bana aro thalbatin yang hugen tau summarize katpil thaina skang porai bagaman ko general form of linear equations into variables rangara yarangan wa a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 yan first equation dimna second equation de a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. The lines may intersect. As you intersecting lines ni gaman porai baha. Anda oro niyang hugen. Tawde line rang intersect ngode marakana. Line intersect line rang ara dige gesa point to intersect kagen. Dige inode maraka unique solution dunga. Ukon agana unique solution. Line gini dige gesa point to intersect ngode unique solution dunga bak common point dunga. Nakba system kon consistent nimna agana line gigini intersect ngode masibo unique solution dimna line parallel ngode maraka no solution yunode system ara inconsistent nga dimna line coincident ngode equation ngora mai dungana infinitely many solutions dunga dimna system kora consistent nimna agana consistent node giskrabo unique solution dungo baba consistent aro infinitely many solutions yawan consistent diba no solution ngode inconsistent ko giskrabo. Andaude ia chart ko niskabo, ia table ko niskabo. Pair of lines ko misoka ha. One first equation, second equation dakan ko tang equation ako misoknya. Tayuna ratio rang ko misoknya. A1, A2 yarangara A1 ara A1, A2 yarangara coefficients of X. Dimna B1, B2 yarangara coefficients of Y. Dimna C1, C2 yarang de constant numbers. Dimna de comparison of ratios ko misoknya. Dimna de graphical representation. Dimna de algebraic representation. The comparison of ratios ikon po A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Digong gets mo de merakana graphical representation de intersecting lines nga. Dimna algebraic representation de maina exactly one solution ba unique solution nimna agana agdaman. Unique solution nimna agana. For ikaw hede ko singna ba dunga 1 mark rangna digira kabarang ko yan nakaba equation gets mo de graphical representation maya. Intersecting lines ma, coincident lines ma, parallel lines ma, ikut naba dunga pori kau ini menjadi orang machine nangen. Temna algebraic representation de unique solution by exactly one solution. Temna A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Dikyong ngensmo de graphical representation ra coincident lines unga. Temna algebraic representation de infinitely many solutions unga. Temna A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Dikyong ngensmo de merakana graphical representation de parallel lines ongska, algebraic representation de no solution ongska. Ini man yarang ko masibo ya comparison of ratios, graphical representation, algebraic representation yarang ko de machine nang chumata pori kau 1 mark na ndakan ko de snga. Yasan dalni video de ning basangan dikon matela.